Awesome. Free as a bird now. Brakes are working, kind of. Let's see what happens. Here we go. This RX-7 hasn't moved this fast in years. There we go. Yeehaw! Yep, we're moving. Well, that's about as far as she goes. This cutie. Honda. Mazda.
How's she feel?
Bouncy. I feel like this needs one too. Tight. Okay. We are rolling. Thanks, guys. It's the fastest this thing's gone in many years. That sun is bright. Holy cow. This thing is cool, man. Boop, boop. Can't wait to see these Recaros. They're all worn out, you know, like everything else on this. Ski Town Street Cred meets Nikki, the RX-7. When I came to meet with my buddy Matt to talk about the car, we're actually going 14 miles per hour now, and he's just going idling down the hill. When I went to meet up with him, I asked him, I was like, what's the name of the car? And he said he hadn't named the car yet. And I was like, you haven't named the car? Are you serious? I said, I'm definitely going to name this thing. I'll think on it. A few minutes later, we looked in the trunk at the parts, and inside of the parts bin was the old carburetor. And on that carburetor, it said Nikki. And it was just cool. I was like, Nikki? Oh, cool. And it hit us like right away. That's the name. It's gonna be Nikki. Slow down. A little slower. Oh. Yep. Awesome. You're doing it. But that's where Nikki came from, the carburetor. And this is Nikki. Meet Nikki. Yep, take a left here. All right, we're pulling in behind my building. And Nikki is making it to her new home.
My best friend David's diesel Jeep to the right there. And we're gonna park Nikki next to the Jeep.
What an interesting ride.
Yeah. What an adventure! See, all that hard work was worth it. We got to 14, about 15 miles per hour around here. we might need to go up a little further, because I don't want to get too close to the Jeep, more closer to the post. Alright, so I'll close the door and just see yours. Let me turn that wheel. How about that? Manual steering box. Jeez. Don't need power steering wheel. Yeah, it's a little sway, you know. It's gonna need some suspension, for sure. Okay, we're going right in. Perfect. Perfect. Oh yeah, right there.
Nikki. Nikki has made it to her new home.